Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joyce Angel from 2nd MSc Applied Microbiology, Sacred Art College, Tirupattur. In this video, we are going to learn about what is bioleaching, microorganisms and mechanisms involved in bioleaching, types, factors affecting advantages and disadvantages of bioleaching. Bioleaching is also known as metal bioleaching, biomining, or microbial leaching. It is a process used in mining and biohydrometallurgy. The term biohydrometallurgy indicates bio means using of microorganisms, hydro means aqueous environment, and metallurgy deals with treatment of metal containing materials and solutions. Biohydrometallurgy is the process of interaction between microbes and minerals. This method is used to extract valuable metals from a low-grade ore with the help of microorganisms such as bacteria or archaea. Low-grade ore means it contains low amount of metals in that. This bioleaching process is the alternative method for traditional methods of mineral processing. It is one of the applications of biohydrometallurgy. The discovery of the bacterium Thiobacillus ferroxidans leads to the modern era of biomining process. Some of the metals extracted from bioleaching process are copper, gold, silver, uranium, zinc, etc. Microorganisms used in bioleaching process are in Thiobacillus species, Thiobacillus thioxidans and Thiobacillus ferroxidans are mesophilic bacteria which can able to live at the temperature of 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Thiobacillus prosperus is the metal mobilizing bacteria and Thiobacillus cuprinus it oxidizes the metal ions. In Leptospirillum species, Leptospirillum ferroxidans, it is an acidophilic bacteria which can able to tolerate low pH. This bacteria oxidizes the ferric ions. In thermophilic bacteria, Acidianus breyerli and Sulfobacillus thermosulfidoxidans are used. Thermophilic bacteria can able to withstand extreme hot conditions. In heterotrophic microorganisms regarding to fungi, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Rhizopus, Aspergillus and Penicillium species are used. Mechanisms involved in bioleaching process are Thiobacillus thioxidans and Thiobacillus ferroxidans are the commonly used bacteria in the bioleaching process. These bacteria are found naturally in the leaching dump. There are two mechanisms involved in this process: direct bioleaching and indirect bioleaching. Direct bioleaching is also known as contact bioleaching. In this direct bioleaching process, there is a physical contact exists between the minerals and the bacteria. Oxidation of minerals takes place through enzymatic catalyzed reactions. Whereas in indirect bioleaching process, there is no physical contact between the bacteria and the metals, but these bacteria produces strong oxidizing agents which reacts with minerals and extracts them from ores. Example for direct bioleaching process is pyrite is oxidized to ferric sulfate. An example for indirect bioleaching process is bioleaching of uranium. There are three types of commercial bioleaching process. Let us see one by one: slope leaching or dump leaching, heap leaching and in situ leaching. Slope leaching is also known as dump leaching. In this slope leaching process, the ore is made into fine powder and then this fine powder is kept in a large slope shaped dump as you see in this picture. The water containing Thiobacillus inoculum sprayed over the ore and then it is drained and gathered at the bottom and then it is processed for metal recovery. In heap leaching process, the ore is dumped into large heaps like the mountains and the water containing inoculum of Thiobacillus is sprinkled over the ore. Then the water is drained and it is collected from the bottom. After that, it is used to extract the metals. After the metals get separated, this water can be reused again to generate bacteria in an oxidation pond. Whereas in situ leaching process, the ore remains in its original position in earth. The surface blasting of earth is done and the hole is drilled into the earth Then the water containing thiobacillus is pumped through the drilled passage to the ores, and this water seeps through the rock and collects at the bottom, and then the minerals are extracted from that. Let's see factors affecting bioleaching process. In physicochemical factors, temperature affects leaching rate, microbial activity and composition. The pH needs to be acidic to obtain the fast leaching rate and to keep ferric and metal ions in solution. In ferric oxygen reaction, the electron acceptors are required for chemical and biological oxidation. In microbiological factors, microbial diversity culture rather than using pure culture, mixed cultures are recommended for efficient bioleaching process. Population density. If the high population density microorganisms are used, it will increase the leaching rate. Metal tolerance. High metal concentrations are toxic to microorganisms. Choice of bacteria. The bacteria which can able to withstand high temperature, acid concentration, high heavy metal concentration are suitable for bioleaching process. In mineral factors, composition provides electron donor and trace elements. Particle size. The size of the particle affects the mineral and liquid contact area. Surface area. The reduction in the size of the ore increases the oxidation rate of bacteria or vice versa. Porosity. The pores and cracks in the particles gives rise to the internal area. Presence of other metal sulfide. The minerals which have lowest potential rate are oxidized first. Advantages of using bioleaching process are: it is a simple method as it uses naturally occurring microorganisms which are not harmful for humans and environment. It is considered to be an eco-friendly process. It is an inexpensive technique. This method can be employed for collecting metals from waste and drainages. This bioleaching process also used to extract refines and expensive metals, which is not possible by other chemical processes. There is no emission of poisonous sulfur dioxide during this process as in the smelter process, and there is no need of high pressure and temperature. This bioleaching process is ideal for low-grade sulfide ores. Some of the disadvantages of using bioleaching process are: as it takes several months or more than that, it takes more time to extract metals, so it is a time consuming process. It gives only low yield of minerals. This bioleaching process requires a large open area for treatment. It may have no process control. There is a high risk of contamination during this process. If the bacteria cannot grow uniformly, the yield of metals will be affected. That's all guys. I hope you all understood this bioleaching process. Thank you for listening.